Alright, for this example, we're going to look at the z-score of each of these students. We need to compute the mean and standard deviation. And for that, we've done that in section 3.2 with a Microsoft Excel document. And I'm going to use that same document. If you have not done that document, then you'll want to click in this area here, and I will show you how to create that document. But let's go in here and get our data. And then let's go to the Microsoft Excel document that I have here. Now you'll see this is the old one in 3.2. It's been updated slightly. I added the z-score calculation formulas here. This is a population, so we're going to be looking at the population z-score. It said this in the directions to treat them as a population, so that's why we're using that. Alright, then we'll go over here and we're going to just paste it in there. I'm going to actually paste right on top of student because it has a title student already. As you see, it just changes the items right across the top. And it pasted those values in. And then here, these values automatically updated. Okay, so there was that, the pulse, and then now these values updated. So this should be down here. The total of them, it counted them, it didn't change anything. The mean, the standard deviation, population. Alright, now to find the z-score of each of these items is pretty basic. We just need to do this calculation here. So let's go up here and go z-score. Alright, it's going to be the input, x, the element, minus the mean over the standard deviation. So we got those values, right? Equals the input minus the mean, which is down here. Now we have to be a little careful because that's going to be all divided by, so we have to put that in parentheses, divided by the standard deviation, right? So I move down, get the standard deviation of the population, right there. All right, now what we're going to do is hit enter, and there's that. Now I want to drag that down, but I don't want this to change or this to change over here. So I want B27 to remain, so I'm going to put a dollar sign right in the middle there, and B28 to remain as a dollar sign. That keeps it on the mean and standard deviation. So that when I drag down, the only thing that changes is this B8. It'll move down as I drag down. So grab the corner, drag it down there, and then those are the z-scores. Now if we check them, the B27 and B28 stays, but look at B9, 10, 11, 12, etc. keeps moving as I go down. Alright, that was it. That's pretty easy. We just want a nearest hundredth, so I'll just go to here, right click, and then go to Format Cells, and then just do it to 2 decimal places. There we go. Alright, we can just go back to the problem then. Got all the z-scores. See if it's correct. I've entered them all in here, and let's just check it. Check the answer. Yep, they're all right. So that's how you compute the z-scores.